In the first part of this reaction, it's a sublimation process. Sublimation is when a solid sample has a phase change directly to a gas. And the sample we're going to be looking at is iodine. So it's one of the halogens on the periodic table. And the photo there, the insert, is a photograph of the iodine crystals in there. You can't tell, but the crystals do take on just a very slight purple luster to them. And all I'm doing is I'm placing one of those small crystals in the test tube there. And I think you can see that there's a hot water bath there on the ring stand. Bunsen burners providing the heat. And already you start seeing a bit of a purple gas in that test tube there. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, I think you can see the purple gas pretty well there. And that purple gas you see there is just iodine gas. So again, that sample underwent sublimation, which is a process of going from a solid to a gas. The other common solid that does this is dry ice or solid carbon dioxide. That's another substance that'll sublime it. It'll sublime at room temperature. And the last thing I want to mention is a question that is asked for in the report sheet. It asks for you to examine the test tube after the sublimation has taken place. After you've taken the test tube out, let it cool. And what happens is that there's crystals of iodine that form on the inside parts of the test tube. Now, you're not seeing that here because I could not get a good video of that. Okay? But just know that that purple gas that you see there, actually, when it cools off, it deposits solid iodine on the inside portion of the test tube. And that's where you can really see like more of a purple color to the crystal.